Nation. It is Tuesday, terrific Tuesday. Today our Metcon, right? It's going to be a partner WOD today, broke it up into 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. So that part A, it's going to be a 4-minute AMRAP. You'll have max synchro hand release push-ups plus a row. So the way it's going to work is, right, both of your partners, they're going to pick, well not pick, they're going to just basically go for max reps of a synchro rep. So the way that's going to look is these hand release push-ups into a row is I'll go down, my hands release, I push up, and then I go to my dumbbell and I row. That's pretty much it. Go down, hand release, pick up, booyah. You guys can go like 5 on one side before you go to the other side, just max reps for 4 minutes. Remember, all these movements today, they're all gonna be synchro. And then from there, we'll rest 1 minute between A and B, and then from there, you'll go a 4-minute AMRAP of max synchro kettlebell swings. So on this, right, you're gonna pick increments of 10 to 15 reps. So let's just say Briggs and I are partnering up, and we chose reps of 10. We want to get to 10 reps. If we put it down before we get to our 10, then we have 3 synchro burpee penalty if we drop, right? If we didn't get to that 10. So let's just say we got to our 10 though. Now we have to get to 20. Let's just say we drop it before we got to that 20. We dropped it like with 2 remaining till we get to that next set of 10. Then we get another set or another 3 synchro burpee penalty for that. And then from there, we'll rest 1 minute between B and C. And then on C, you'll have a 4-minute AMRAP. Be a max synchro medicine ball cleans. So that medicine ball clean. Medicine ball is around the middle of our feet. From there, we squat down, chest nice and upright. I extend up, drop underneath down. So like boom, triple extension, drop underneath, drive up. Try not to like curl it, get into like that rotation. Right, I want to be able to spin it if I'm here. Yeah, if you're going all crazy with the medicine ball, just try to correct it to where I'm getting my hands and my body underneath it. Same format though, increments. This time of 8 to 12 reps. So if I don't get to that 8th rep with our synchro, I got a 5 wall ball penalty. If you don't have like room to throw a wall ball up in the air, just go 5 thrusters. And then from there, you rest 1 minute, and then you'll have an 800-meter run for time. I guess this part won't be partner. I mean, you can't really tell on that. But on this one, run super hard. Be putting that into Wodify your 800-meter time. So yeah, run nice and hard. For our warm-up today, we're gonna have a nice, good general warm-up. It's gonna be 2 rounds. You're gonna go 30 seconds of mountain climbers. They're gonna be kind of those wide mountain climbers though, so almost like in that Spider-Man, getting my feet to hands, going out. There you go. Just opening up those hips. After that, we'll go right into our Spider-Mans. There you go. So rotating it. Nice. Dropping our chest. Just taking it a little bit more slow. Dropping the chest, and then from there, go into 30 seconds of bootstraps. After that 30 seconds of bootstraps, just 1 minute of inchworms. Walking those hands out, having those legs and feet stay nice and straight. And then from there, go to 2 rounds of that, and then just have 1 round of 50 feet side shuffle, fast side shuffle, quick and fast, and then 10 air squats into a 200-meter run. From there, you have shoulder taps, just total, and then from there, 10 scat push-ups. And then from there, a nice good post-WOD. You have 2 to 3 rounds of 1 minute of pigeon pose on your right side, pigeon pose on your left side. And then you'll go into a 30-second child pose rotation. What that would look like, I'd be here, taking my hips back, thread that needle, and then try to rotate. 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other, and then that 1 minute split leg hold. Have my legs come out wide, dropping my elbows in that split position for 1 minute. Go through 2 to 3 rounds of that. Should feel nice and good after everything. Okay guys, so we got ourselves a little core though before that post-WOD. It's going to be 3 rounds for quality. You're going to have 30 seconds of side plank, 30 seconds of just that middle plank, and then 30 seconds of the other side plank. And then from there, 30 seconds of a controlled dead bug. Yeah, didn't want to forget that core. My bad.